So I saw someone making some sweet potato biscuits online, and of course I had to give it a shot. I didn't really know how this was gonna turn out, but hey, trial and error is a must. So yeah, this is me just mixing up my wet ingredients right here. I add some food coloring in there just for color. I don't really use food coloring, but I saw that person use it, so yeah. But I mix the wet with the dry. And those dry ingredients are pretty much just flour and baking soda, some salt and sugar. And then I did mess up on this dough actually. So if you look in the window, you'll see it's daytime now in the back, and this is a new batch of dough. All right, when I was cutting these out, I knew they weren't gonna come out correctly. I knew they felt too loose. The dough felt too loose, and of course they came out like cookies, burnt the shit out of my hands. And so my nephew wanted to say squad in the camera, so I let him do that. And this is the remake. I just added some more flour to the dough to, you know, kind of thicken it up. And these did look more biscuity. Of course, I had to try one of those little cookie things, and it was okay. Gonna make some marshmallow cream for the top of my sweet potato biscuit. That's my finished product right there. I tried to do a dramatic pull apart, but of course I just burnt the hell out of my hands again. They were too hot still. But yeah, these actually came out really good. Sweet, salty, and then of course the sweet potato taste and all that good stuff. And I had to come back with some paranormal activity and add some marshmallow cream on top of those. And I do have a lot of dough left, so you will see this again.